C is one of the most widely used programming languages of all time. C is often referred to as the mother of all programming languages. It is a very flexible and well-established programming language that created the base for many languages including C++, Java, C#, JavaScript, Python, and PHP. The same concepts such as variables, data types, operators, conditional and control statements, functions, and many more have been derived from C. So if you learn C first, it will help you to learn any recent programming languages easily and quickly. Since C is a middle-level language, it can be used for writing driver softwares, libraries, compilers, operating systems, and firmware. In fact, major parts of operating system such as Windows, Linux are written in C. So there will always be a need for developers having solid knowledge of C to develop and maintain them. The execution time of a C program is much faster compared to other programming languages. In embedded systems, for example in microcontrollers, C is extensively used. Microcontrollers and embedded programming are widely used in automobile, robotics, and hardware industry. C has a huge support forum and resources on the internet, so if you get stuck, you will most likely see your programming problem has been asked and solved. So it's worth learning C, especially if you are new to programming. Next, we will talk about the origin of C. See you there.